Isang Pinay ang ginawaran ng parangal sa Montreal dahil sa ginagawang paglaban nito sa racism sa Canada. Hindi lamang racism laban sa mga Pilipino ang kanyang advokasya, kundi labanan ang systemic racism sa buong bansa. Narito ang report. Naging isang malaking karangalan sa Filipino community sa Montreal nang ang Pinay na si Franz Stoner ay magawaran ng Next Generation Award sa ginanap na Action Week Against Racism and for Equal Opportunities. Isa itong bagong parangal na idinagdag ng grupo na nagbibigay ng mga parangal mula pa noong 1990s at isang Pilipina ang pinakaunang nakakuha. Ibinigay kay Stoner ang parangal na ito dahil sa kanyang paglaban sa systemic racism sa Canada. Tulad na lamang anya sa mga Pilipino na sobrang sipag sa trabaho pero hindi naman umaangat sa pwesto.
We will often be seen as very good worker bees, but passed up for promotion. So this is a type of systemic barrier. Things that I see is also not seeing as many of our community members going into higher education. You know, I myself did my master's degree, and like the higher I went in education, the less Filipinos I saw.
Ang systemic racism din anya ang nagtulak sa kanya na magtayo ng isang grupo na para sa mga kabataang Filipino-Canadian.
In 2022, I founded an organization called Centre Capua. And what we do is we specifically take care of Filipino youth mental health here in Montreal by doing culturally relevant programming. So we've organized walks and movie nights and art gatherings and different things like that because it's kind of hard for our community to go to therapy. And this is also work I've actually done in the Black community, in other racialized communities, supporting immigrants and refugees in getting a culturally relevant support and services, a space that understands.
Isa sa mga tinututukan ngayon ni Stoner ang paglaban sa systemic racism sa mga kababayan sa medical profession, partikular ang hindi pagkilala ng Canada sa kanilang mga edukasyon at karanasan sa trabaho.
They're coming in as caregivers, they're coming in as, you know, as nannies, as cleaners, which is very honorable work, but also really frustrating for people who might have an education, nursing, bachelor's, master's degree back home in the Philippines. So think about what that does to our mental health.
Ito ang mga dahilan kung bakit si Stoner ay kinilala at pinarangalan bilang next generation advocate sa paglaban sa racism.
I think as we see the years go by, the borders get tighter and tighter. And this is a form of systemic barrier. But when you look at the needs of Canada, we actually need nurses, we need educators. And the reality is, yes, we also need the nannies, the caregivers, people doing this care work, but we don't want to give them permanent residency or Canadian citizenship as quickly despite there being a need.
Tunay ngang isang ehemplo si Stoner para sa mga Filipino-Canadians at anya sanay may mga sumunod sa kanyang yapak para na rin sa kapakanan ng mga Pilipino dito sa Canada.